Okay.
Before we go any further, okay. From the left, Axel, talk.
Yo, what up, man? Gonna be cooking some spicy art today, yo.
Is that good? That should be good. That should be good. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
that's good.
Okay. Hakka talk. I mean, yeah.
My
Hakka.
single, Raven's Paradigm, is currently available on most streaming platforms. What's up? Hello, hi, it's Banzoin Hakka here.
Okay, Altair, talk.
Hello. Sound test.
I think you're.
Sound test.
Yeah. That should be better. Better.
Stop
Better.
squeezing me.
Okay, should be better. Flayon, go.
You sound a little squishy.
The Jester of the Adventurers Guild Tempest visited Sinakuni in the past to learn its traditional performing arts and used that experience to drop and lead the expedition to the land eventually.
Thank you.
No
Beautiful.
problem. It's your description.
Is that my description?
Yes, you don't know your own.
Yikes. Yeah, I knew that. Okay, Shinri, go ahead.
Hi, I'm
on the website.
Shinri. Hello, happy birthday, Metal.
Thanks, Shinri. I think we're all good. Leader's still low. I'm gonna turn you up a smidge, Altair.
Am I
Stop
still
squeezing
low?
him.
Why am I so low? Why you just don't want to hear me?
I just
Okay,
normally
I'll
have you
just stop
really
talking,
low.
man.
I just don't like hearing him.
What?
Because he talks about all the
Am I
aces he
licking
gets in
your ears?
CSGO and I get mad.
It's okay, Mr. Clickbait. We can do that.
Hey!
Oh shit!
On my birthday?
It's a challenge.
Birthday
Oh
boy.
no, what are you gonna do? Play with me and prove me that you're wrong? That I'm wrong?
Yeah, I do that.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
Shinri low. Shinri, I have you at 200%, so that might have
Did
to
you
be.
mean low as in my voice is low, or like low as in quiet? Because like it could be one
All of the above.
No, Shinri's good. Okay. Okay, do you guys want to start? How do we just normal? Normal.